Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to promote Clickbank affiliate products without any money, without any paid ads, without any paid traffic, and without any investment. And I'm going to show you real proof of people getting thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of visitors and views every single month on completely autopilot. And you're going to love this if you do this on a daily basis and you're persistent with doing this, what I'm about to teach you. Your life will never be the same again. That's a promise, okay? It's all about being persistent on what you have to do, okay? Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. It will be appreciated if you could give me a thumbs up. If you have questions, just leave a comment. It will be appreciated. So let's dive into this video. If you don't know what Clickbank is a digital marketplace with thousands of digital products, and you can promote these products and you're going to make affiliate commissions every time you generate a sale. All right, so we're here in the affiliate marketplace, and on the top, if you just hover your mouse somewhere here, you're going to see a lot of stuff down here. So we're just going to look into e-business, e-marketing, and we're going to go to affiliate marketing, and then what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of the products. So before we do that, we're going to look at the commissions. Okay, so we could see the commissions are quite good. This one's paying $228, $228, but the gravity score is very, very low. So I don't want to go for that. I want something that I believe that will make me some kind of money. Okay, so let me just look into this. Okay, 57.68. Let me first click on this to make sure that it's still available. Okay, so yep, it's still available. All right, so what I'm gonna do, the next step I'm gonna take is I'm gonna go to the affiliate page to see if they are providing me with any kind of banners. Okay, all right, they are providing me with all the tools, all the resources. All right, and they're doing this so basically I could like take a banner, so it's a win-win situation. I use their tools, resources, and then I make money, they make money. Right, so I could see this is looking quite good. Okay, right, so let me just look at this. If I could like click here to download, this is looking very good. Okay, I just need to have done that. So what is the traffic? So you just want to choose one of the banners. You could choose different banners down here. Okay, so you're going to choose one of the banners from here, and then we are going to start driving traffic, free traffic. Okay, you do this every day, you're going to start making money. Now, before I get into the traffic source, if you want a shortcut path and want to learn how I made over $119,000 in commissions with a program and system that's taking the internet by storm, then you need to check the links in my description box below this video, or you could head over to this website address that you're seeing on the screen. You will able to come to this website after you click on that link. Okay, you're going to click on this orange button. You're going to enter your real email address, because I'm going to send you the information into your inbox. So make sure you have an email address that you're checking, and you're going to get access. You're going to able to watch the training video of this 6-figure blueprint that's generated me over $119,000 in commissions. Okay, so all the links are in my description box below this video. If you are keen to learn more ways to make money with Clickbank, and you want to make thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions with Clickbank, then I do have a Clickbank course. The link is going to be in my description box below this video. Okay, you could also access that Clickbank course by going to this website address called Udemy and just typing in Clickbank, and then you're gonna see this smiley guy where all this cash is just falling down. Right, just click on it and you will able to purchase this course 100% risk free. You have nothing to lose. All right, you could go through this course, apply the training, right, and it's 100% risk free. Okay, so you have nothing to lose. It comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. For any reason you don't like what you see, you could get your money back. Okay, so it's that simple. So I'm going to have the link for this as well in my description box below this video. So let's dive into this. Okay, so now it's time for us to drive traffic and stop making some insane commissions of $28.62. So we're going to use a free traffic source called Pinterest. Now you probably use Pinterest, but you don't know the power of it. So I'm going to show you something very, very powerful down here. So check this out. This guy, he created a Pinterest account. Okay, so you could see here, he has a link down here, and you could see, look how many monthly views he's getting. 28,000 monthly views. This is the power of being persistent. Okay, full-time freelancer. Click the link to learn how to quit your 9 to 5. My #1 recommendation, how I made $3,000 in 1 month flat. Okay, and then he has this link here. He's promoting something. Okay, so you can see 28,000 on the, look at the amount of followers he has. He only has 271 followers. Okay, 28,000 monthly views. Let's just check another person. Check this out. Smart Set Mom, make money from home and save money. Look at this. 558,000 monthly views. Check this out. This is the power of free traffic. You can do this every single day. A lot of people say, I don't know how to promote Clickbank products. I don't know. I don't have money to pay traffic. I don't have money to do any kind of paid ads. You don't need to do this. If you just do free traffic and you do it on a consistent basis, you can start making a lot of money. Just so look at this, 558,000 monthly views. Now imagine you getting this amount of traffic. Okay, let's just check another person. Check this out. Smart Money Mamas. She has a website address down here. 12,000 followers, 144,000 monthly views. All right, this is all Pinterest. And then we're just going to check one more last one. Smart Scent for life, saving money. And if I just scroll down, you will see here 37,000. Okay, monthly, 1.2 million monthly. What am I doing? 37,000 followers, 1.2 million monthly views. Check this out. All right, so I'm showing you something that you can do today, and if you do it today, and if you do it every day, your life is never going to be the same again. Okay, so you need to do this on a regular basis. So these are all the pins that she has created. You can see here. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create these pins. So if I just come here, I'm going to create a pin. All right, and I'm going to, there's two ways to do this. Okay, basically you could either drag the whole banner that you just took from Clickbank, okay, and just upload it here, or you could go to a website called Canva and you could just type in Pinterest pins, right? And then you could come down and you could just choose one of the pins from here and then just edit the whole pin. Okay, so you can see here I created this one of them. I'm just going to get rid of this. Okay, don't need it anymore, so let's just get rid of that. Okay, so you can see here all these pins, Pinterest pins. Alright, so if I just click on this, okay, you can see you could customize it, Pinterest pin. Alright, 1000 to 1500, or you could do your design yourself, create a design, custom size. So 1000 to 1500, create a new design. Okay, Pinterest 1005. And there you go, it's going to come up with this, and then you could just drag your file here. So I'm just going to show you how easy this is. So let's just make this a bit bigger. Okay, and then if I just go to upload file, and then if I just go into my downloads here, alright, so let's just look for that file that I just uploaded. Problem is that I can't find it here, so let me see if I can find it in my desktop. Okay, so let me just go back and let me see where that file is gone. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, save link as this. Let me just see something here. So see this, but why did it put it in a zip file? That doesn't just make sense to me. So let's just extract this. Right, and if I come here, so you can see that. Okay, so let's just go back. Let's just go to Canva, upload file. Let's just go to desktop. Let's look for that. Let's go here. Let's go here, and let's do this. All right. Let's just get this a bit smaller. All right. So there you go. You can see that it's looking good. All right. Okay. So just want to do that. Okay. And then down here you might want to put some text. So you want to come here, headline. Okay. Just take this right to the top. Okay. We'll just put in $25 per app and $25 per app. Alright, if I could just change the, alright, there you go. And if I could do some effects, okay, so let's see if I could effects. Alright, let's just go down. Okay, so we're going to do some effects, so we could see the effect down here. Alright, so this is looking good to me, so there you go. It's not bad. Right, and then I'm going to do the same thing again. Alright, I'm just going to click here, come here, click here, right, and then I'm going to write, click the link. Let's just do this small one. Click the link in my pin. Right, I could change the same thing of this. Just come here, right, and let's just do the same one. Oh. Effects. Let's do background. And let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, so there you go. Look at this. That's looking great. What do you think? Okay, let me know in my comments. Okay, this is the first time I have created a pin using Canva. Okay, so let's just take this. Alright, and this is what you do. You do this every single day, my friend. This is how you're going to make money. Okay, so I'm just going to put 25 for now. And I'm going to come to Pinterest. I'm going to drag that file that I just created. There you go. Wow, check this out. Okay, so we're going to put up to $25 per app. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back to Clickbank and in fact to that product and see if I could find some good description about this product. So let's just check one of the emails here and just copy some of the part of the emails. We are looking for people to become our latest app tester. You may be just one who are looking for if you have a device. So let's just take this part. Okay, we're going to come here, we're going to put it in here. We are looking for people to, okay, and then let's just go back here and then come back here. Oops, and there you go, that's done. And then in here you're going to put your Clickbank affiliate link. So I'm going to click on Clickbank affiliate link. I'm going to get my Clickbank affiliate link from here. Scroll down, copy that link, come to Pinterest and just paste that in. Okay, just choose a board. Okay, so if I come here, there you go, and then I'm just gonna put something like make money. There you go. Just put affiliate marketing work, starting a business. Let's see. So let's leave that as it is. Okay, and there you go. Earn up to $25 per app. Test. Earn up to $20 per app. Alright, let's just see if I could do something like testers required. Okay, and there you go, that's done. Alright, I'll publish that later date. You can do so many other stuff as well. I'm just gonna publish this right now. Okay, and there you go, boom, that has been published. Okay, so you could see all that here. Alright, so if I come back, I go to my profile, so the plays games. Okay, so there you go, look at this. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Look at this. Alright, so you can see that. Look at this, some of these pins are already there. Alright, so this is how you drive traffic using this, and if you do this on a regular basis, you're gonna see traffic coming in and potential sales coming in, because the more traffic means the more potential you have to make money online. Okay, so it's that powerful. You need to do this on a regular basis because this is a free traffic source. Okay, now if you want to learn the shortcut path to making over $119,000 in commissions, okay, so let me just go back. Where was that? Then just go to this website address or click the link in the description box below this video. If you love this video, if you got a lot of value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to come up with some powerful videos to teach you how to make serious money online, serious money using different type of methods, okay, that will allow you to do this for free as a beginner, and you can also do this if you're a teenager. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be appreciated. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. It will be appreciated.